This kitchen has not been touched since 1974. Avocado green, harvest gold, orange tiles. Everything is original. The handles are loose, the laminate is peeling, the oven door does not close. We could have torn it all out, start fresh, erase the past, but we did not. We kept the bones. Solid wood cabinets from 1974, better than anything made today. New countertop, butcher block, warm, natural, not yellow laminate, not fake stone. We kept the original tile, cleaned every grout line, repaired cracked pieces. The orange and brown stay. New appliances, but retro. Cream-colored Smeg fridge, vintage-style stove with chrome trim. Open shelves, milk glass dishes, old flower canisters, things that belonged in this era. Before, tired, neglected, embarrassing. After, honest, restored, respected. Not new, not modern, not minimalist, just real. A kitchen that remembers who it was.